€293 is what people would get, and that's a combination of the USC reduction, because the key issue there is you enter the 7% rate currently when you reach €17,500 of income, which is minimum wage level. So we'd increase that by €3,500. So that's the key difference. And then when you give a tax credit, that's a flat increase as such, that's money in the pocket. So the key difference between us and what the government did last year is, so for high income earners, they capped it at 70k, but for people at the higher end, they gave them 4 to 5 times more than they gave to somebody on modest income. And in our view that was unfair, because when they were taking money off people, they did it in a flat rate way. So like the PRSI exemption went a couple of years ago, that took €264 out of everyone's pocket, whether you were on 20 grand a year or 200 grand. So now that it's time to give something back, let's give something to everyone, but €300 proportionately means a lot more to somebody on 20, 30 or 40k than somebody on double that.
Yeah.
I think it should be the long-term objective to take it out of the system entirely. Now it is an efficient way of collecting money for the revenue, about €4 billion, but it does put a heavy burden on taxpayers. So I think we wouldn't like to leave it hanging there for people that it's going to be gone anytime soon. It's not, but it can be dismantled brick by brick, and I think that's the way to do it. And look, who knows what the economic horizon will be like in 4 years, not to mind say 6 years, but in time it is achievable if current growth continues, that within maybe 6-8 years the USC could be gone.